In today's episode, I'll show you one easy way in which you can revive your pilipili ya kukaanga. So this is the pilipili ya kukaanga. I made this in a previous episode. You can always check that out, and I'm going to link it at the end of this particular episode. With me today, I have my ingredients, and from this corner, I have some garlic and ginger paste that I also made in another episode a few weeks ago. You can check out that. I have also included all this in my how to make homemade spices at home playlist. It's a playlist where you basically have a collection of homemade spices from scratch. I have some cooking oil. I have my tomato. This is a carrot. And without further ado, let's get started. So today's recipe, I have a carrot, and this is because there are very many carrots in the market, and just a bonus, they are very sweet. So I want to make this sweet and sour because of the chili and the sweetness from the carrot. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to start off by blending my tomato, but you can also use the tomato paste. It works best, but if at all you do not have, always blend this. But if at all you do not have a blender, you can also grate it. So once my pot is hot and dry, I'll just go in with a few drops of cooking oil. Then I'm also going to add in my garlic and ginger paste. Then as that also melts down, I'll just remove one cube, just like that. This is a kitchen hack that I demonstrated in a previous episode. You can check that out. Then I'm also going to add in my carrots. And since everything is ready at this point, hakuna kuikalisha kwa moto. Then just like that, we're going to add in our tomatoes. And you can already smell the chili in the air. Then finally, I forgot to mention, you'll need some salt. I'm just going to go in with a small pinch of salt. Then I'll mix that in. And then I'll cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes till the tomato is ready. So this has been going on for about 5 minutes now on very low heat, and you can see the beauty that we have. So that's pretty much it. There is nothing much to be done here. This is ready. So I'm going to switch this off. Then I'm going to set it aside and let it cook for about an hour or so. In the meantime, I'll be preparing my ugali and kilts, and I also have a recipe coming up soon, and that will be a compilation of the videos. You can check that out. So I'll see you for serving.